Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lannie and I am back with another video, and this time I am getting some much needed organizing done, and I am doing it in our bathroom closet. And as you can see, y'all, I'm a little bit embarrassed to show y'all this, but it's a mess. It is a mess. There's like a ton of hair care products and just boxes of miscellaneous items that I just need to get rid of. So I got this bin from my son's closet. He had a few toys in there that he no longer plays with, so I'm going to purge those items and use this bin for storing my hair care products in. It was just sitting in his closet for over a year, and it has some dust and a little bit of dirt on it, so I'm just going to use my Clorox wipes and my Lysol wipes to give it a nice scrub.
Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children.
So once that is done, the area that I am pointing at is the area that just made me want to go ahead and tackle the whole closet, because that is the main thing that just made the closet super messy, is my hair care products. So I'm just going to try to keep the products that are in the same line, put those products together, and just try to make them as neat and tidy in the bin as I possibly can. Not trying to stack products on top of each other, just trying to make it, neat and tidy, so when I need to find things, I can just easily find them and pick them up and use them as I need to.
Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Contemplation over our situation. Open up.
I'm just continuing to purge items as I see fit, and I found this little pink bin, and I'm just going to use that to store my hair tools, such as my hair brushes, combs, and wide tooth combs, and anything that I use to style my hair or my kids' hair. And these latex gloves, you guys, I have an upcoming video on my updated wash and go, and I've been using latex gloves in my routine, and you guys, it is such a game changer. So please, if you love my hair videos, please be on the lookout for that as well. So I decided to take the towels from the top shelf and put them on the bottom shelf, because our son, when he gets ready to take a shower or a bath, he comes into our room to take, his towel, his washcloth, and he tends to make all the towels just tumble over and fall on the floor, and I have to refold them again. So instead of that happening, I'm just going to go ahead and put them on the bottom so it's easily accessible for him. By the way, if you haven't tried Rin Pure body washes, they are amazing and they smell amazing. I think they have like maybe 5 or 6 different types, and they all smell really, really good, and they feel really great on the skin as well. So you guys, let me know in the comments below, what are some tricks or tools you use to stay organized and not become a baby hoarder like I'm trying not to be. It's just sometimes hard for me to let things go. I don't know why. Even things that I no longer need or no longer use, I'm like, I don't know, something in my mind says you may need it one day, or you might use it one day, and knowing darn well I'm never going to use this item again. So, but I don't know, I guess I just don't like throwing things away, especially if the item is still good. I don't know, you guys, but I am trying to be better and trying to be a lot more organized. I'm not sure if other people do this, but I like to store a few of my cleaning items in my linen closet just for easy access. When I'm cleaning my bathrooms throughout the week, they're just right there and I can just grab them and use them whenever I need them. And I'm going to also take these little command hooks to store some of my hair tools. All right, you guys, so remember we started here, just an unorganized mess. And now we are here, we are neat, we are tidy, we are organized. And I can see everything. Oh my gosh, it looks so much better. I'm so proud that I just took the time to get this done, you guys. Sometimes when you're organizing anything, any area in your house, it just takes forever. And sometimes it can be a little bit frustrating, but I am just so glad that I just finally got this done. Everything looks so nice and neat. And like I said before, I can see everything and know where everything is. Nothing is just like stacked on top of each other or thrown in a box. So, and here's my bin with all of my hair care stuff. It's just, I don't know, it looks so much better. I'm so proud that I finally got it done. I hope this maybe motivated someone to organize an area in their house that they've been neglecting for some time. I appreciate you guys for clicking on this video and watching. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you do so if you want to see more videos from me in the future. Those are my kids in the background. As always, I love you guys and I appreciate you so much, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.